How to Outlook configuration with your Gmail account. So I'm going to show in this video tutorial how you can connect add your Gmail account in your Outlook. So guys, let's start with the video. Before starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so guys, if you're getting the problem or getting the error, any kind of error there while you are trying to connect your Gmail account to Outlook, so I will show you some solution. It will be 100% work for you. So let's start with the video. So first, just open your Gmail in your browser. Okay, just open the Gmail that you want to connect the Outlook, and go to the setting here, and just go to the see all setting. Okay, so under the setting, you have to find the forward and pop and pm, and you have to check that it should be enabled. You have to just click on enable and just click on save, and just come out. Now go to the manage your Google Assistants, and open your Google account here, and go to the security, and you can, okay, so just find out the less secure app. This is okay, just open it in security and just on it. Okay, allow the less secure app on. Okay, just on it, but you don't record this setting if you set your to the this two-step verification. If you on it, if you on your two-step verification Gmail account, that you don't need to on this less secure app permission. Okay, just on your two-step verification. After that, go to the Outlook. Okay, and go to the files, add go to the account setting, and go to the new. So now you have to just enter your Gmail account and just click on connect, and then password, then it will be connect automatically. If still not connect, then come back again, open this window, enter your email ID. So I just enter the email ID here, and go to the advanced, go to the manual, go to the, okay, it is already add, so I just take the another email ID. Okay, I just took this one. Okay, go to the, you have to click on manual, then IMPM, then now you have to enter your email ID and your password, then click on sign in. It will be sign in. Okay, so I just hit the password here. Let me check it is working or not. You have to allow, so it will be connect to the Outlook automatically. Okay, it is add now. You can also add another email ID if you want. Okay, you can set up manually if you want. This IMPS. Okay, it is done. So my account has been added here, you can see. Okay, so still if you're getting problem in, go to the manual again. Okay, so that is how you can add your Gmail account in Outlook. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.